Hello guys, so today I'm going to teach you how you can fix TikTok payment method, and this is a simple way, this is a short method. So what you need to do is to go to TikTok.
Are you feeling petty this?
Then you go to profile. Then when you go to profile, you need to press the top right corner. Then you need to go to balance. Then you need to go to view. Now, in order to fix this problem, you need to make sure that you have at least $100 in your account. Yes, as you can see, I don't have any money in my account. So you need to make sure that you have put your credentials right. This includes the credit card details or the payment method that you have put. Make sure that it is a valid method, and you need to make sure that maybe the credit card is not expired or does not have any issues. Now, if that still does not work, you need to go back. Then you need to press the right corner again. Then you go to settings and privacy. Then you need to scroll down. Then you go to report a problem. Then when you come here, then you need to press TikTok balance. Then you need to press other again. Yes, now when you reach here, you need to press no. Then you need to press this option of need more help. Now in this page, you need to, this is where you get to talk to TikTok customer care directly, and you can describe for them your issue and they will try their best to fix your problem, and that is simply how it's done. If you found this content useful, consider subscribing and tell me in the comment section whether it has worked for you.